It's awesome. We got very good crowd. Means it's relevant to our products also because so many customers that are really interesting in our products because ultimately we provide assurance about their product quality. That is our best part.
So yes, definitely, because the reason being is our first medical fair in India, and now most probably after Corona, most of the people they are saying that the biomedical is booming. So I think we need to be a part of this medical fair and to explore more that what is the market and how we can cater ourselves in the market. So being a Marpos, definitely it's a first chance for us to get the information about medical. So I think Medical Fair India 2025 doing a great job. Congratulations, guys.
Yes.
I think my technical person who knows about the technical bit, not bit actually a lot, so
Yeah.
sorry for that. So he
It's
will
okay.
let you know about that.
Actually, we are having a lot of new technologies which gives the assurance to the components manufacturer, which especially manufacture components for the biomedical segments like disposable items, dental implants, orthopedic implants, catheters, stents. So we are having a contact base or non-contact type applications also. Like for the bloodlines, we are supplying a leak testing facilities to inspect the complete bloodline circuit, whether there is a leakage or not. So ultimately, we save the human's life because during manufacturing, we assure that the product is okay. That is main thing in the medical segment.
Absolutely. For business, I think if I'll talk about Marpos, definitely business is there. But before that, education is most important because the reason being in India, when we are talking that this segment is booming, this segment is booming, it is our responsibility being an Italian company that to let people know that, why this, if your in country something is booming, why education is important to understand that which product you have to put it in the market. Right, so that is why over here Marpos not only providing the information about the quality, even they are providing the information to the people that why the quality is very important. Not even biomedical, even other segments as well. Like that, Marpos not only into in medical. They are into glass packaging. They are into aerospace. They are into machine tool. They are into semiconductors. So there are so many companies. You can say my MD always say, Mr. Luca Mattiucci, from wash to space. If you need measurement, inspection or testing, Marpos is always there. So I think this is the right time to talk about India and booming of India. Definitely it is in our hand how we can put our quality products in the market. That's important.
Like if I'm talking about the disposables, most of the disposable manufacturers are doing a bonding application through a manual one. And we are having a new technology through which you can automatically bond this tube with the connector, and you can automatically dispense the solvent at a particular amount on the tubes. That gives the means that ensure the product quality. So this is a new technology. We are also teaching to the Indian manufacturers. If you are talking about the attendees, yes, it's quite good. Customers are really interested in our products because they saw the new technology and that is available in the Indian markets. And I met with some of the customers. They are really don't aware about these products. Basically, they are importing such type of equipment from other part of the world. So now they think that okay, you are available in India. So that's a great chance for us as well for the customers. So we can interact locally in local language. That is the most important.
No, definitely it's a last time call. we made it, and I think that we were right to be there here in medical fair. And next time definitely we are looking for Mumbai. I had one of your colleague already. Let's hope for the best, and definitely because again I'm saying it's India's time and it's the right time to do the job. Thank you so much. I know I can say beep beep. If the beep is going on, life is there.
Yes.
That's it. So I think this show is going like it's a heartbeat for the biomedical, and heartbeat is working. That's enough for us. Thank you.